I am Leelaswarnanjali, interning under Lawminds, and I am going to analyze the topic how to be a maritime advocate in India. It's common that the law students and freshly graduated lawyers to be in search of their interested advocacy field. Since we have wide range like being a family advocate, civil advocate, criminal advocate, corporate advocate, and many more. Here, I will guide the persons who are interested in being a maritime advocate. And the question is start with who is a maritime advocate? We all know that advocates are the persons that helps a layman to solve their problems legally. And a maritime advocate is the one who deals disputes that rise in open water, that is ocean, sea, where transports occur through shipping. And to be a maritime advocate, that person should possess some educational qualifications, and they are an undergraduate law degree with minimum 50% of pass marks, and after completion of LLB, any type of LLB, either it be a BA LLB or BBA LLB. To be a maritime advocate, you should have the thorough knowledge of maritime law. So now you should go for LLM, that is Masters in Law, a 2-year postgraduate. As per LLB undergraduation, after completion of 12th class, you can appear in CLAT UG exam to get into a central university or NLUs. And you can also write state law set exams to get into universities within the state. And then you will complete your law degree course in 5 years. And even who had completed degree can study LLB undergraduation course, just as same as how a 12th pass grade student write competitive exams. And the law degree course will be for the period of 3 years. And during this undergraduation law degree course, you will be taught general laws like CRPC, IPC, CPC, family laws, company laws, and environmental laws, which are usually related to our daily life activities. And only after completion of your undergraduation law degree with 50% of marks, you can go for pursuing Masters in Law, that is LLM in Maritime Law. In undergraduation law degree course, law students would be taught about general laws, but in post-graduation level of law degree, that is LLM, which is 2 years duration, you will be taught about a particular field of law. In LLM, you should opt a specialization in law. It means we have different types of law like civil laws, criminal laws, corporate laws, and many more. And a person who want to be an advocate, particularly in one field, would choose their interested field of law as a specialization. And to be a maritime advocate, you should opt maritime law as specialization. And in those 2 years of LLM in maritime law, you will be able to know about laws relating to sea transport, shipping, coastal lines in India, and also foreign country laws. And there are few entrance exams to get into universities to pursue LLM in maritime law. They are CLAT PG, Common Law Admission Test for Post-Graduation. By this entrance exam, you can admit to any one of 22 national law universities in India and also any university in India. And the next one is AILET PG, All India Law Entrance Test for Post-Graduation. This entrance exam is conducted by National Law University of Delhi. By this, you can get admitted to NLU Delhi. And the next one is AP LASET, Andhra Pradesh Law Common Entrance Test. By this exam, you can admit to any university within Andhra Pradesh which provide law courses. And after LSAT, Law School Admission Test. By this entrance exam, you can admit to few NLUs and universities in India. Next exam is PU SET PG, Punjab University Common Entrance Test for Post-Graduation. By this exam, students can get admitted to Punjab University for LLM course. Next one is DU LLM, conducted by Delhi University for admission to LLM course. These are not the only entrance exams for LLM, but there are also few more. After your LLM in maritime law, you can be able to work as a legal advisor or maritime advocate in chartering companies, logistic companies, shipping companies, and few more. You can also be an independent maritime lawyer. And being a maritime advocate, The things they would get involved with are drafting contracts at many stages. Firstly, when any person wants to do business in shipping, they would get a vessel. Here in shipping, vessel means anything that can float and move by its own or any other way. Every ship is a vessel. So the businessman who is interested in business on open water will get a vessel. That vessel can be bought readily from shop, or sometimes the vessel can be built, and there needs a contract between builder of the ship and the ship owner. And other than contracts, maritime advocates will also represent their clients in courts. For example, during COVID-19 pandemic, many people are affected by the virus and were quarantined, and many people died also. This is not just the case inland, but also on the oceans, where ships are present and many people died in ships and few dead bodies are not even found. This case raised disputes between ship owner and the deceased family members, and at times like this, a maritime advocate is needed. Thank you.